Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About x, we have number 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. About number 1, we change by 1 over 4 plus 3 over 4. This one, that is about identity. Next, about infinity, we can change into the limit. So I will choose about a approach to positive infinity, and we have the integration from number 1 to a. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x plus 1 over 2 equals to the square root of number 3 over 2 times t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 3 over 4 times t square, 3 over 4, 3 over 4. We can do about factorization. Times t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify by dx. Next, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Next, we need to change the bounds. When x equals to number 1, that is in here. So I will put number 1 gone here. So 1 plus 1 over 2, we divide by the square root of number 3 over 2. So we have the square root of number 3. So this one we change by t equals to b over 3. When x equals to 8, so we have 8 in here, and I will put 8 gone here to find the value of t. So t equals to arctan of 8 plus 1 over 2 over the square root of number 3 over 2. So number 1, we change by this one. A, we change by this one. This one we put in here. The x we change by this one. So this one we have 3 over 4 times t square. So 3 over 4, 3 over 4, we can do about factorization. This one we change by secant of t square. Now we need to simplify the numbers in here. So we have 2 with the square root of number 3 over 3. This one we have t. And we put the bounds from b over 3 to arctan of this one. And now we have the final answer. Now, when I goes to positive infinity, this one will go to positive infinity. So arctan of positive infinity, we have b over 2. And now we need to simplify. So we have b, the square root of number 3 over 9. This is the end. Thank you for watching.